Hi, Mark T the Handyman. Today we're going to take a look at the Dyson V8 Origin Cordless Vacuum. So I've unpacked the Dyson Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It doesn't have many parts here, but the first thing you want to do is you want to scan the QR code. That'll give you access to registration and also to the owner's manual. The next thing we have is a wall-mounted charging station. Once you mount it on the wall, you can feed the charging cable through the bottom, and anytime you want to charge the vacuum cleaner, you insert it into the charging station and it'll charge while it's there. To get it out, you just simply lift it up and pull it out. The assembly of the Dyson cleaner is very simple. Here you have the long reach wand. It just snaps into place. Here we have the swivel head that is at the bottom, snaps into place, and now you're ready to vacuum. If you don't need the long reach wand, you can just take it out by pushing the button. And now you have a more versatile short reach. Next, we have the other attachment, and it's the same thing. It just snaps into place, and now you can clean spots that you might not be able to get to. And that's it. It's pretty simple. As far as maintenance, you have two filters. You have this washable filter on top. It just snaps into place, and it's washable. And then you have a filter here in the back that needs replacement every so often. As far as any maintenance on the swivel head attachment, it's fairly easy. They provide a slot for a flathead screwdriver. If you turn it counterclockwise, it comes right out and available to clean. Now that you've got the main brush out, you'll notice a black brush and a red brush. The black brush is a carbon filament for fine dust on hardwood floors. The red brush is for deep clean on carpet and hardwood floors. As you take a look at the main brush holder, you'll notice there's a stationary part here. That's where the rotating brush rotates. But underneath that is these small little cavities. And what that does, it processes any kind of hair that goes in, long or short, so it can be delivered up to the storage bin to be emptied. After you've done any maintenance in here for cleaning, you just put the main brush back into the slot and you tighten it back up with our flathead screwdriver, and you're ready to go again. Once you're done vacuuming, it's very easy to clean the Dyson. You just pull up on the little tab here. It automatically drops down. You don't have to touch anything. Everything just drops right out. Push it right back down and close it back up. Very simple. Another feature of the vacuum is it has two speeds. It has the regular speed, which is, and it has a maximum speed. Overall, I think that the Dyson V8 is a very good vacuum. It picked up very nice any kind of dirt that I had or hair, and it sucked it into the storage bin. But one of the things that people have said that they don't like, and I didn't find a problem with it, is you have to hold the button down the whole time. You're already holding it and you have to push the button, but I didn't think that was a big deal. It's not a hard push, it's an easy push, but I didn't find it to be a big thing. The only thing that I didn't like was there's no interchangeable batteries. When the battery goes dead, you have to recharge it. Now, it says it does have a 40-minute run time. I suspect that if you run it in high speed maximum, it might not be 40 minutes. I didn't check that, but overall, it's a pretty good vacuum. So here's a couple of features that the Dyson V8 vacuum provides. Advanced filtration. That means whole machine filtration captures and traps 99% of particles as small as 0.03. Two-tier radial cyclones. 15 cyclones arranged across two tiers work in parallel to increase airflow and capture fine dust. Dyson digital motor. The digital controlled motor spins at up to 11,000 RPMs to generate powerful suction. Next we have lithium-ion battery, delivers fade-free power. We have max mode, push button to select their speed. Tough, durable materials. The clear bin is built to last from tough polycarbonate. Soft touch trigger. Conserve power. On when you need it, off when you don't. Detachable long reach wand. Lightweight aluminum wand reaches up top, down below, and in between. Tough construction, made from strong material selected for their durability and lightweight properties. Swivel neck. Pivots to reach into awkward places with a turn of the wrist. Detangling cleaner head. Deep cleans carpets and hardwood floors with hair removal vanes. Carbon fiber filaments. Removes fine dust from hardwood floors. Low profile cleaner head for easy cleaning under furniture. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.